Guys, in upcoming videos I will show you a practical demonstration of a robotic systems. It is a four-wheel drives a four-wheel system, so in which four-wheel we will used, and all the different practical aspects of robotics I will explain in this entire tutorial series. You can learn out of it. You can ask questions in comment section, or else you can mail your inquiry regarding with any your robotic system. We will help you to figure it out. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. So yeah, that's it. In an entire tutorial you will definitely learn something about the robotics, not toys or something else. You can learn actual robots, how to make it, how to use the different algorithms into your robotic systems. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is my new project. This is called Dexter robot. It has lot of things, lot of different functions. I will explain one by one. So firstly, these two motors are used. These are 200 RPM encoder based motors. You can purchase it from anywhere in online. And this is a microcontroller Arduino Pratham board, which is available on a GreyRobotics website or Amazon store. This is Citron motor driver. So these two motors are connected with this driver. Then this is 8 of IMU, so that you can get accelerometer, gyroscope and magnetometer reading simultaneously. This is SC05, so that you can communicate with this robot via wirelessly. This is an obstacle sensor. This is an obstacle sensor, which is SR04 ultrasonic sensor. This is a sharp sensor here. Here is a sharp sensor. One more sharp sensor I will connect here. Currently I don't have it, so I'll connect later. This is a control panel in which one is LED. So these two are switches. These two are switches which is not currently being used. And this is 9 volt 12 volt adapter, so that you can charge your batteries. So mostly I am using lithium ion battery packs. One is 12 volt each, 12 volt 2.5 ampere hour. And these are the wheels that I am using. These 4 wheels I will connect here. I will connect, and the entire system is based on 12 volt. So 12 volt directly goes to the driver. Then 12 volt is again converted into 5 volt and go to all the 5 volt circuitry. So this is the cover, which I purchased from Robotics. It's an online, so you can check link in the description. So it's an entire robot in one piece. These are the 4 pins. Thank you.